We believe you have the right to pay the lowest interest rate possible on your current car loan. We believe a high-interest car loan should not feel like a jail sentence. We believe you have the right to break free from its shackles. We believe a lower interest rate could potentially save you thousands of dollars over the term of your loan. We believe you should not have to trade in your current vehicle and buy a new one to lower your interest rate. We believe a lower interest rate could allow you to pay your vehicle much faster. We believe lowering your interest rate on your current car loan should be fast and easy. We believe having the correct information about your current car loan will lead you to make better decisions about your money. We believe it was time for a company to have your interests at heart. That's why we created SafeLend Canada. That's why we invented the reverse car loan. We simply find you a lender ready to offer you a lower rate, repay your previous car loan, cancel all its obligations, and you get to save money. Why pay more than you have to? Visit safelend.ca.